How to fix Windows Update error 0x80242008 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. This built-in tool automatically detects and resolves common update issues. It is a quick and straightforward way to address error 0x80242008. Wait till the scan is finished. You will be provided with potential causes so you can proceed with fixes. If no suggestions were given, proceed with the solutions below. If that didn't work, make sure that relevant services are running and set to the automatic startup option. Scroll down a bit to find Windows Update. If it is already running, right-click and select Restart. If the service is not running, double-click it, pick Automatic under the Startup Type drop-down menu. Click Start, Apply, and OK. Repeat this process for Background Intelligent Transfer Service, bits, and cryptographic services. If that didn't work, corrupted files often cause update errors. You can repair them as follows. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Once the scan is complete, use the following commands and press Enter after each. Restart your system. Open Notepad. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. If that didn't work,